Hey guys, my name is Sarian and today I'm going to show you how to cover a tattoo. This video is always super requested, so I'm here to show you one technique of many on how to cover a tattoo. Okay, so the first thing that I want to cover my tattoo is the Real Color palette. This is an alcohol-based makeup palette or cover palette, so when you get it, like it's dry. You can only use this with the Real Developer or 99% alcohol only. You drop a little bit of the alcohol into the color you want to use, it brings it to life. You paint it onto the area that you're wanting to use it and it dries completely matte. So this is important because I want to color correct. With a tattoo like this, because I have a lot of color and really dark, bold lines, color correcting is really the only way that I can cover this tattoo. I've tried using foundations that claim to just cover tattoos. It does not cover everything. You have to color correct. If you have small tattoos, you can cover them by building a foundation. Like Kat Von D claims that her foundation covers tattoos. I've tried it on mine. It doesn't because again, my lines are so goddamn bold. But on the smaller tattoos, like I had a client who just had like a small little heart and it covered that up really well. To color correct the red, I'm using the green. Using translucent powder to set. Now I'm using a foundation that matches and I'm stomping it over what I just did. Don't forget to add like a couple more shades in here to kind of give some dimension. I mean, skin is not just one color. Skin usually has a couple of shades in there. So add some pink. Using translucent powder to set. And there we go, that is the tattoo covered up. So if your tattoo has texture to it or it's risen, it's scarred above the skin, that part you really can't make go away. The lines will still be there. That means the tattoo artist went too deep and there's not really much you could do about that. Just a little tip though, before you cover a tattoo, it's probably best to shave the area because your hair does get stuck and it can add more texture. But if you have the right products and a lot of patience, you can do it. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you have a good day, make good choices, and I'll see you guys later.